Welcome to Costa Blanca. Today we are at San Miguel de las Salinas and I'm going to show you this exclusive new development with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The prices are from just 400,000 euros and this is the perfect investment property or your new vacation home. Let's have a look. Most of the properties are south facing, which means you have sun all day long. You can be at the swimming pool, enjoying with the family, friends and family, having some barbecue and just enjoying the sun. So this is the perfect spot to enjoy the Spanish landscape. Welcome to the living room. This is nicely decorated with modern feel, so welcome in and have a look. You can see it's big under the roof, nice clean modern feeling to it, nice decoration. Have the living room with an open kitchen area, nicely decorated with the lighting. Here we have the open kitchen area, which you can see nicely with tasteful colors. A lot of room for storing all your kitchen appliances. Nice place to cook the food, and this is also with integrated ventilation system. So it's the perfect open spot, so you don't have anything disturbing. So this is the perfect place to make some food. There are also air conditioning pre-installed in the whole house, so it's nice and easy for the summer days to just cool the whole property. The central heating is over there, so it's easy to just turn it on for the whole house. Then we have the white goods over here, and now I'm going to take you on to the rest of the property. Here we are at the main bedroom. And now we can go out from this bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom. It has 2 bedrooms and also the door out. And now I'm going to show you the favorite part of the house. Let's go. If you are buying the property off-site, because this is a development with many villas, then you can also choose from different materials. You can choose from the different floors, the tiling, what you want inside and also in the bathrooms. That is if you buy it before the construction time, or you can buy it key ready like this. And now we are going to go up to the roof terrace and have a look. And now we are going up to my favorite part of the property, the roof terrace. Here we have sun all day long, 360-degree views. You can even see the salt lake down there, and you can see the rest of development is taking place. Almost ready now. So if you are considering buying a new built properties in Costa Blanca, this development might be the perfect opportunity for you. Starting from just 400,000 euros, you get a brand new villa just like this one, key ready, or you can buy it off plan and do some modifications, maybe install some underfloor heating in the bathroom, choose the tiling. And this is the perfect property if you want to rent it out. You can get up to 8% return a year. which is very good, or you can just use it as your holiday home, or even do a combination of both. Use it as your holiday home and rent it out where you are not around. Contact us for more information or comment in the section down below. Comment revenue and we will send you the complete calculation of the rental process, the income, and we will also sort out all the rental licenses and everything. So I'm looking forward to hear from you, and let's do a viewing.